power shared among governments at different levels is also called A. Horizontal, B. Community-based, C. Vertical, D. Coalition-based. Answer is B. Vertical distribution. In Belgium, the percentage of the French community is A. 54%, B. 40%, C. 30%, D. 20%. Answer is B. 40%. Which language is dominantly spoken in Belgium? A. Dutch, B. Spanish, C. French, D. Italian. Answer is A. Dutch. Which of the following countries adopted majoritarianism in their constitution? A. Belgium, B. India, C. Germany, D. Sri Lanka. Answer is D. Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, the percentage of Tamil-speaking population is A. 50%, B. 20%, C. 18%, D. 14%. Answer is C. 18%. The people whose forefathers came from India to Sri Lanka as plantation workers during the colonial period are called A. Sri Lankan Tamils, B. Indian Tamils, C. Tamil Indians, D. Indian Sri Lankans. Answer is B. Indian Tamils. The Sinhala-speaking people in Sri Lanka are A. Hindus, B. Christians, C. Muslims, D. Buddhists. Answer is D. Buddhists. When did Sri Lanka emerge as an independent country? A. 1949, B. 1950, C. 1948, D. 1951. Answer is C. 1948. In 1956, an act was passed to recognize Sinhala as the only official language, thus disregarding Tamil. The governments followed preferential policies that favored Sinhala applicants for university positions and government jobs. This led to A. Protests, B. Favoritism, C. Feeling of alienation, D. Subordination. Answer is C. Feeling of alienation. By the 1980s, several political organizations were formed demanding A. Certain rights, B. Independent Tamil Eelam state, C. Sovereign state, D. Priority in jobs for Tamils. Answer is B. Independent Tamil Eelam state.